Hello, directions for customer sales increase. Please open the attached workbook. So in this there's only one worksheet in this workbook, and it has a lot of customer sales. It goes all the way to row 104. So the first thing we want to do is create a formula for the percent increase. So this is the sales in column D for the year 2024, and then this is the sales for 2025. So we wanted to calculate what's the percent increase from one year to the next. So the formula it's complex because there's more than one math operation, equals, we need to find the difference first. So it's E4 2025 minus D4. And I'm just going to back up a little bit because I need to do my parentheses because we want to do this first. E4 minus D4. Close the parentheses. Once the subtraction is completed, then divide by the D4, which was the previous year sales, and then check mark. And if it's not in percent, go back home to the home and choose percentage up here. But it should already be set. And then go ahead and fill handle, and it should do all 104. Now there may be a few that are in red because there was more made in 2024 than 25. So if you wanted those to show in red, you would go to the number dialog box launcher, and you would go to custom. So the values that are in negative, to show them in red, with them still selected, choose number and go to custom. And this is the sample that you have right now, 18.5%. But what I would like instead is just to type a semicolon and then bracket, red, close bracket, and then you want to have negative 0.0%. And then you should have the negatives in red. All right, next thing we'll do is we'll look for any duplicates. So we'll choose, first we have to put it in format as table. So I'm going to select A3 all the way down to F104. And then format as table. I'll keep it purple. Should be the same range, and OK. And then I will choose remove duplicates. And I want them to look at all of the columns that are there. Customer name, city, region, sales 2024 and 2025, and percent of increase. So go ahead and click OK. And there were 10 duplicates, so now there's only 91 unique values. So I want to also sort it by region, so I'll choose region, down arrow, and sort A to Z. And then I'm noticing I have typos in East, and if I look down, up north, I have an O missing. South, I have errors in here. So a quick way to fix it is to go into your down arrow for your options here, and then you'll see you'll uncheck the correct ones. The ones that are correct, uncheck them. You don't want to see them because they're correct. So all you're going to see are the ones that are wrong. So then click OK. So that narrows it down, and then you can manually fix the ones that have the errors. And then when we go back to the down arrow to put all of them on, we'll select all, and now you can see that there's only the 4 that are there are the correct ones. And then click OK. And you should have them all back, and they're all fixed. And the next thing, if we were to go to the File Print Preview, so everything fits on one page across the columns, but if you look on the other pages, and I think we have to adjust it so that this fits on one page, but when we look at the pages in between, there's no heading, so you don't know what column is labeled. So let's go back first, and I'm going to let's go to Page Layout, Margins, Custom Margins, and I'm going to change the left to 0.5 and the right to 0.5, and let's check to see if that fits now. It still doesn't. So I'm going to, because you can see your dotted line here, so I'll make this one smaller, and there, now the dotted line moved to the right hand side, so that's what we want. So you do have to make some adjustments. So that fits, percent of increase, but we still don't have the tops for the column label. To do that, you go to Page Layout. We did this before we went to the Page Setup dialog box and then chose Sheet. You can also get it from right here, Print Tiles. And then you go right to, it's the same, going directly to Sheets. That's all. It goes more direct. So I want to see $1, row 1, through $3. So I want to see 1, 2, and 3. Then I'll go to my print preview. There it is on page 1, and they're on page 2 and page 3. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.